Hey, what's up everyone? Today we're gonna be working on the Vitacci rocket, and on the last video, I don't know if you guys remember that I needed to weld the seat, but actually I did it off camera, and as you can see right now, everything looks pretty good. The seat structure is already in place and it's very strong, sturdy. But what we're gonna do right now, we're gonna install these air shocks, which, let me see if I can extend it. Okay. So this air shock, I got it from Amazon. This is for a Volkswagen Beetle, you know, the old box. And basically I'm gonna do the same thing I did before. It's gonna go right here. But because the head, or this part right here, it's very wide, it's very thick, I'm gonna have to do some brackets that to hold these in place, so that way I can install the air spring. So without further ado, let's get to work. guys, this is how the motorcycle looks, and as you can see, I already did the brackets, one here, one over here, and honestly, I'm not the best welder, and if you have ever used a professional welding machine, man, the difference is night and day, because, I mean, you're not able to see it, but my really small welder, it's not hard to use. My tool fell off the table right there. Sorry, I'm back. So yeah, like if I would have a, you know, a bigger welding machine, I think the welds would look better. And what I have right here in my hand is the air line that goes into the strut, and this is what is gonna give air to the strut. And as you can see, it's pretty long, but that's okay. So sorry, I'm just gonna put a little saliva here, so that way the gasket doesn't catch on the edge of the thread. I have a small jack underneath the engine. I'm gonna remove it and I'm gonna check. I'm gonna check right now. Oh wow. It really went down. The other spring that I had, that I returned already, it was really soft that whenever I was getting on the bike, something like this was happening, not to this extreme, but the engine was going down, and if this happens, you know, the muffler is gonna scrape. So the air strut is rated for 200 psi max. I mean, I don't know if you can see there, but whatever it was, it says 200 right there. So the minimum pressure is 25 pounds. I'm gonna put a 30. Right there I have 38 pounds of pressure. So that's 38 pounds. Let's put a little bit more. So right there is 38 pounds. Let's do 60 pounds. Well, the spring is still a little bit soft. If I can do it with my hand, which I'm not that strong, I know whenever my butt gets on here, this thing is gonna go all the way down. So right now we are at 71 pounds. I'm gonna crank it up to 100. Hopefully this doesn't explode in my face. You know what? Let's do 90. I'm gonna do 90 because I'm gonna protect myself just in case this thing pops on my face. I'm gonna put my ear muffin. So 1, 2, 3. So I did 90 pounds, but for some reason I think this puts a little bit more than what it says here. So right now we're at 99.5. And I think we are still a little bit soft. Okay, let's do 130. Okay, let me put it on. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, the machine says 127 pounds of pressure. We're at 127 pounds of pressure. So I think you know what? Let me just put the lift down. So okay, you already put the lift down, and I don't really want to get on camera on the bike because without the fairings, this thing looks really small, and I'm gonna look like freaking Donkey Kong on Mario Kart. And yes, I know this is a small motorcycle, but I think without the fairings, it makes me look huge on it. And I know I'm fat, you know, I'm overweight, but believe me, whenever everything is on it, I don't look this fat, okay? So I'm gonna try it. Oh shit. Man, the other spring was way worse. When I would sit down, this thing will go all the way to the floor. So I guess let's do let's do 150. Okay, we got 156 pounds of pressure, which I know that's a lot. So I think that's gonna be, am I gonna write it at 100 and, man, I already forget, 150, 53 I say. Because the suspension is gonna be hard enough, but also, you know, if I go through a bump, this thing is gonna be able to handle the jumps. We have reached the end of this video, and I just want to say thank you so much, guys, for tuning in, and everyone that has subscribed to my channel. You really helped me, and I really appreciate your help. I don't even know what else to say. I gotta clean this mess because it looks pretty bad. So thank you so much for watching. If this is your first time here, my name is Jose Luis Rodriguez. Please don't forget to subscribe, but I'll see you on the next one. Bye.